Hi, I'm David Weller, Head of Global Trade Policy at Google. In this video, we look at some of the legal and administrative issues relating to exporting, the basic ground rules for exporting to specific markets you might wish to enter. For instance, what kind of documentation is needed for exporting and importing? What are the trading laws, customs regulations, import duties, and VAT or other taxes that apply to imports into that country? There are three key issues that you'll need to consider. First, do you owe customs duties and need to complete customs procedures? If the country you're importing into has a trade agreement with the country you're selling from, or they're both part of a common customs union, exporting and importing may need less paperwork or be easier to do. Second, you need to register for VAT in the country you're exporting to. VAT registration means more paperwork and keeping records, which is why companies exporting on a smaller scale sometimes take different approaches, like working through a distributor or employing an importer of record specialist to do the VAT administration for them. Third, does the country that you're exporting from impose requirements? An export license basically involves getting pre-approval from the government of the exporting country to allow the goods to be sent to a particular destination country, end user, or end use. Some countries may even apply an export duty, although that's pretty unusual. On matters relating to customs duties, taxes, and export licenses, as well as other compliance responsibilities, there's plenty of information and guidance available from government trade authorities. In addition to the compliance issues, exporting, of course, raises other special issues. Payment procedures and payment lead times can be more complex when exporting and will almost certainly have to be factored into your cash flow considerations. Exported goods also take time to be packed, transported, and cleared at the destination country, and often carry greater risks of potential damage or loss, which can affect payment. If you're a new to export company, starting with a modest export strategy and gaining experience is often the best approach. Selling overseas may seem like it's pretty complex, but there are many online resources to help guide you through the exporting process. You'll find some of those resources on this site, and we hope you'll find them useful.